Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to break shape in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, select the shape, path selection tool, another shape layer, press Ctrl Z, another layer, and again break direct selection. Sorry, first of all, direct selection, then hold shift, press delete, and another way. Control R, then show roller. You select your perfect selection, then press Ctrl Z. Sorry. Create a layer mask. Again press Ctrl Z, duplicate layer. Press Ctrl I. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.